Hello, my name is Ann Pyle. I'm with ADP Solutions. I'm managing partner for the firm. We are a Salesforce consulting partner. What I'd like to talk with you about today is Salesforce, whether or not it's for small business, for medium business, or for very large businesses. The answer is all three, because basically Salesforce is a scalable product. We have the pleasure of having a brand new client recently here at ADP Solutions who has a total of 2 users for Salesforce. It's going to be it's very affordable for them. It's going to solve some major problems for them and really give them more information than they've ever had about this business. So let's talk about scalability. Let's say that this client started getting more clients, and so they started working within the state, and then they started working in other states, and then they branched out to the entire region. So they started adding data. They started having more companies, more customers, more vendors, more employees. Their needs started to become more complicated because they were adding more processes and having to deal with different things. Is Salesforce still the right product for that company who began with a population of 2? Well, the answer is yes. Salesforce is scalable in a number of ways. First of all, with the amount of data. Because it's in the cloud, because it is not a server in your data center that you've got to worry about how big it is, how much storage you have, Salesforce has it covered. So as you grow in the data usage and the number of people who are signing in to the platform, in the amount of information you're collecting, Salesforce just grows right with you. The other thing is scalability in terms of functionality, which means you might start as a small startup company with very easy to implement needs. But as you grow, things become more complex. You start doing more things. You actually have a service department maybe, and you have a sales team, and all of those need to be addressed. Salesforce will scale up with you because you can add that functionality to the platform really quite easily. So it's a good solution really for all levels. I'm often asked that question, are we too small for Salesforce? The answer is not necessarily. It works in lots of cases. And if you're a Fortune 500 company, multinational, it works beautifully for those enterprise level organizations as well.